Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever tried editing a PDF and realized how difficult it can be? Sometimes you just want to change a few words, convert a file to Word, or simply sign a document. But most PDF tools either don't have the features you need or make the whole process confusing. What if you could read, edit, convert, and manage all your PDF files using one simple tool? In today's video, we're taking a look at SwifDoo PDF, a powerful yet lightweight PDF editor that helps you work with PDF documents more efficiently. We'll explore its interface and walk through some of its most useful features to see why it's becoming such a popular choice. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and visit the official SwifDoo website. Once you're on the home page, click the Download or Install button, and the setup file will begin downloading to your computer. After installing the software, open SwifDoo PDF. The first thing you'll notice is its clean, modern, and user-friendly interface. Everything is well organized, making it easy to use even if it's your first time working with the software. From the main dashboard, you can open PDF documents, create new files, convert documents, or access a variety of editing tools. Now, let's open a PDF document. Simply select any PDF file, and it will appear in the editor, ready for you to start working. One of the most useful features of SwifDoo PDF is its PDF editing capability. Normally, PDF files are difficult to modify, but with this tool, you can easily add or delete text, change fonts, insert images, and adjust the layout. It makes editing a PDF feel almost as simple as editing a Microsoft Word document. Next, let's talk about PDF conversion. SwifDoo PDF allows you to convert PDF files into multiple formats, including Word, Excel, PowerPoint, images, and more. This is especially useful when you need to reuse or edit the content in another format. You can also convert Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other supported file formats back into PDF, making document sharing much easier. Another powerful feature is document organization. If you're working with multiple PDF files, you can merge them into a single document. You can also split large PDFs into smaller files, rearrange pages, rotate them, or remove pages you no longer need. These tools make managing PDF documents much more efficient. Now, let's take a look at OCR, which stands for Optical Character Recognition. By. Sometimes, PDF files are scanned documents, meaning you can't select or edit the text. With the OCR feature, SwifDoo PDF can recognize text from scanned images and convert it into editable and searchable content. This is extremely useful when working with scanned reports, books, invoices, or printed documents. Another impressive feature is the built-in. Using AI tools, you can summarize long documents, translate text into different languages, rewrite content, or even ask questions about the document you're reading. This can save a lot of time, especially when working with lengthy files. SwifDoo PDF also offers several security features. You can protect your documents with passwords, encrypt files, add digital signatures, and insert watermarks to keep your PDF secure. These features are particularly useful for business documents, contracts, and confidential files. Another reason many users prefer SwifDoo PDF is its speed and lightweight performance. The software runs smoothly and opens PDF files quickly without slowing down your computer. Overall, SwifDoo PDF combines PDF editing, file conversion, OCR, AI tools, document organization, and security features into one easy-to-use platform. If you regularly work with PDF files, this software can help make your workflow faster, simpler, and more productive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next